Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. Rhino offers 3 different methods of record keeping. This guide explores how to use the spreadsheet option, which is sometimes referred to as the bridging method. This method is only appropriate if you are very comfortable using spreadsheets. If you are not, please consider using the simple record keeping method. To select the spreadsheet record keeping method, click on the My Business menu and click on the settings icon for each self-employed business. Select the spreadsheet option. You can select a different record keeping method for each self-employed business. If you have enabled UK property or foreign property, you can select a different method for each type of property type. If you have selected the spreadsheet option, you will see a download button. Click on the download button to download a Microsoft Excel template. The Excel template will contain the valid expense types for each type of business. For example, the format will vary depending on whether you are updating a self-employment business, UK property or foreign property. Once you have populated the spreadsheet, use the Upload button to upload the spreadsheet to Rhino. Note: we do not submit your spreadsheet to HMRC. We only submit the totals taken from the spreadsheet, but we do not submit the entire spreadsheet. We do store the file so that you can reference it in the future. So in summary, you can use spreadsheets to maintain your digital records, but only if you are comfortable using spreadsheets and managing files. We do recommend that our customers consider using the simple record keeping method. We created this to provide our customers with a simpler alternative to using spreadsheets, especially if you are using a smart device. We have tried to make this feature as simple as possible. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.